Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are safe at your home. Welcome back to the online video lessons of English for 8th class. In the previous video, we have seen a reading Oliver asked for more about the author. Who is the author of the lesson? Charles Dickens. Yes, he is a very famous novelist of Victorian era and he was appreciated by the critics also. He has wrote so many novels and one of them are Oliver Twist. Now the present lesson, Oliver Ask for More, is an extract from his famous novel Oliver Twist. So it's a story of an orphan boy. Already we have discussed in the previous video while talking about social issues. Who is an orphan? An orphan means a child whose parents are dead. So here there was a boy named Oliver and he is an orphan boy. See here, this is a boy, Oliver. He is an orphan. His parents were dead and I had told already it is a novel. At the end of the novel, we can come to know who are his parents and why he became orphan. So now it is a small extract from the Oliver Twist novel. So this boy is a orphan of a middle English period. So during that time, the orphans were treated by the parish committee. Parish means church committee. Parish means a church committee. During that middle English period, the orphans were taken care by parish committee, a church committee. And after 9 years of old, they were sent to children's home, workhouse. So this Oliver, up to 8 years of old, he was brought up by parish committee. After he was 9 years older, he was sent to children's home. There, he was used to grow up by working at the children's home. So during that time, while going to children's home, he was sent with Mr. Bumble, a church official. As he was this is Mr. Bumble, and he taken away Oliver from church to children's home. He is taking Oliver from church to children's home. To hand over Oliver at children's home, he was taking him. So as you can see the picture, he is a big man. That's why he is taking a long strides. Long means very big steps, taking big steps while walking. Here says strides. Walk with long decisive steps in a specified direction. Taking big steps and he is walking like this. So this Oliver is a small boy. That's why, because he is getting fear. Because he is going to another strange area. He don't know how it will be. That's why he is getting some fear. So this Oliver having a golden laced cuff. He is wearing a golden laced cuff. He trotted. He hold like this his cuff and trotted beside him. Trotted means like this. Walking slowly, run at a moderate pace with short steps. So he is walking slowly. And Mr. Bumble informed him that he is going to be present before a live boat. What is a live boat? Children, do you know what the live boat is? Have you heard the word live boat? Children, this is the live boat. Here, live boat consists of 10 to 8 members. Here, at children's home, 10 to 8 gentlemen were sitting around the table, and there will be a high chair. High chair. Here, at the high chair, the head of the committee, the head of the board will take, who takes the final decision will be seated here. So this is called a live board. Who takes the decision, who discusses and takes a decision regarding an organization or an institution or anywhere. So here at children's home, whenever any orphan comes, they used to ask him, they used to do interview that orphan, and they will take decision, and after that only they will take an orphan into their children's home. Not to get any conflicts regarding that boy or girl. So he was to present the Oliver. This Oliver should be present before this live boat. Here you can see the definition. Live boat means a sort of meeting that takes place having face-to-face contact with the people to take decisions. So after hearing that he is going to be present before the live boat, he was astonished. Oliver was astonished. What is astonished? Astonished means shocked. So he gets so much of fear. He sits there silently by having so much of fear, because he didn't have any experience to face a live boat. So that's why he is getting so much of fear. So what happens next? What happens when he was present before the live boat? What the questions they will ask? You are going to see tomorrow. Thank you.
Out of the board.